Hi, I'm Jonathan Hill. I'm a cartoonist and illustrator in Portland, Oregon. And for this journal on video, the prompt I chose was, what have you discovered during this time? And my answer was, I'm thriving as an introvert. And I did a little journal comic as a way to sort of respond to that prompt, because I think a lot in terms of stories and storytelling, and so that was the easiest way that I could answer that. When I draw in my sketchbook, I draw straight to pen, and I do this as a way to just let myself live with whatever's coming out, whatever the drawing is, not worrying about if it's too perfect or not. Though, because I was doing this for a video, I wanted it to be perfect, so you'll notice that I cut out things that were right and had to paste over things that weren't right, and I think that's just an important lesson to remember when you're working your sketchbook, that it doesn't have to be perfect page by page. You can kind of cut and paste and do what you need to make it turn out the way that you want it to. And so I guess I hope that you learned something from this. I don't know how to end this.